Hey everyone, Allison Berger here, and today I'm going to show you how to use Elizabeth Arden's Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules Radiance Renewal Serum. If you like this tutorial and want to purchase this product for yourself, please do so through my Macy's storefront, which is in the link below. By buying it through my Macy's store, you support me and this channel and providing more videos like this. So let's get started. So when you get them, you only need to use one a day. These are filled with vitamin C that's going to help brighten your skin, get rid of fine lines, and really moisturize and hydrate your skin all at the same time and make you just glow. So we have one of them right here. So you twist it and it comes out put it into your palm of your hand, and you're going to want to warm it up and press it into your skin and include your neck. And you always want to lift up because we don't want gravity to work against us. And using this once a day will help brighten, get you even toned skin, and just have you have a glowing vitamin C filled day. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to use Elizabeth Arden's Vitamin C Ceramide Capsules. If you want to purchase this product for yourself, be sure to do so through my Macy's storefront in the link below. So until next time, I'm Allison Berger, and don't forget, I'm fun sized.